We will start the program with the recitation of Quran, and I will invite Mr. Bukhari to please join me on the stage.
قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد.
With the national anthem of United Arab Emirates. With the national anthem of Pakistan. Name is Her Excellency Arifa Al-Falahi. She was traveling today, and in the morning she sent us a video message to strengthen her views about the community.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's with great pride and joy that I join you today in celebrating Pakistani's Independence Day. A day that honors the vision, sacrifices, and unyielding determination of a nation. On this day, we remember the remarkable leadership of Qaid al-Awam, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. His principle of unity, faith, and principle, and discipline not only shaped the birth of the nation, but also continue to inspire generations. His life reminds us that with clear purpose and steadfast resolve, great nations are built. Here in the United Arab Emirates, the Pakistani community carries forward the same spirit. They are known for their hard work, loyalty, and contributions in every sector, from business, engineering, to healthcare and education. They have become a very important part of our country's growth and a living bridge of friendship between Pakistan and the United Arab Emirates. The Pakistan Business Professional Council Abu Dhabi is honored to stand alongside this community, strengthening partnership and fostering opportunities for the future. On this occasion again, I extend my heartfelt wishes to the people of Pakistan and to all Pakistanis living in the UAE. May you continue to shine with the same strength and dignity that your founder envisioned for you. Happy Independence Day. Arab Sameh Al-Falahi.
And with this, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to appreciate the government of Pakistan, who is represented by here with Mia Munir Hans. He's the chairman for Pakistan People Party in the Gulf. So I will give the mic to him to say some words about Independence Day today.
सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सबको हमारा जो आज पाकिस्तान डे है, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे कहता हूँ। और पाकिस्तान बिजनेस प्रोफेशनल काउंसिल अबू धाबी डॉक्टर कैसर अनीस साहब, जो हमेशा कई सालों से माशाल्लाह मैं देख रहा हूँ कि जिस तरह अबू धाबी में और यूएई के अंदर ये बिज़नेस काउंसिल को लेकर चल रहे हैं और बिज़नेस कम्युनिटी को इकट्ठा रखते हैं, पाकिस्तान के लिए काम करते हैं, पाकिस्तान में इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए काम करते हैं और यूएई के लिए स्पेशली, क्योंकि ये भी हमारा घर है। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि यहाँ यूएई के अंदर जो हमें सहूलतें यूएई के रूलर्स ने दी हैं, पाकिस्तान के हमेशा से जब से यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स बना है उस टाइम से लेके आज तक हमेशा जो बरादराना ताल्लुकात हैं वो बढ़ते ही जाते हैं और एक बड़ी तादाद में हम इसी वजह से जो पाकिस्तानी हमारे यहाँ पर है, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि यूएई पाकिस्तान की जो दोस्ती है ये बड़ी अच्छी, हमें और भी पॉजिटिव रोल अदा करना चाहिए।
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, fellow Pakistanis, and all board members, executive members, and all the business councils of who is working in Abu Dhabi. As we gather today to celebrate the 78th Independence Day of Pakistan, we honor not only the birth of a resilient nation, but also the enduring spirit of its people.
Professor Anis, please welcome.
I'm very proud to welcome everyone here. So happy to see many business councils joining here and many corporate members and my founding members of the council. Especially Mr. Munir Hans, Mia Munir Hans, coming all the way from Dubai. He is a leader and he is a visionary person. He is not from today. He is in Dubai for last many decades and serving to the Pakistan community and having great relations between Pakistan and UAE. And he is not only an honorary member also for our council, we are very proud of him. Then Madam Arfa Al-Falai, Excellency from his personality from Ras Al Khaimah, you can imagine how much love she has, and I'm very proud of her to be part of the council, and my best wishes. It was a great speech. You have noticed that how much love they have and United Arab Emirates government. With that, I will like to welcome our dear friends, Mr. Greg, which has come after many years. I see him. He was a Canadian Business Council. Madam Noleen Said, I thank her for coming here. She is short from Ireland. You can imagine she is moving ambassador for the Ireland, the contribution she did, and to the business community. Mr. Ahmed Ahmed from Polish Business Council, we are very closely working, and Mr. Jamal Abu Bakr from Palestine Business Council.
August, the day our ancestors got their freedom after 100 years of being in captivity, and glad to be in United Arab Emirates, glad that the Pakistan Business Council is growing and has, mashallah, got into a new leadership. And that
happy Independence Day to the Pakistani Business Council and members and staff. And I'm sitting here next to a Pakistani Canadian in this lounge.
Thanks for the Pakistani Business Council for inviting us here for this very, very happy occasion. And we wish them all the best, and we wish for Pakistan to be.
All right, well, I would like to say, first of all, thank you so much, Dr. Kessler, for giving us this opportunity, so that we can all get together and celebrate this Independence Day.
Very proud, and since 2025 has been very challenging for everybody. We all have seen that. And we suffer equally, while we're inside Pakistan or not, but we've been very proud.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to everyone. Wishing everyone a very happy 78th Independence Day.
Including myself to just take a moment and think that what independence means in our opinion, because what I think which I just did by being here is that independence means more and more responsibility.
I say thank you to Dr. Kaisar, President Naseem and Dr. Musa for giving me this opportunity to work for the community.
Mr. Anis, Gandhi Shahid and now Mr. Kamal Naseem. I wish them all the best and happy Independence Day.
I'd like to greet in particularly the Pakistan Business Professional Council, the Honorable Vice Chairman, the President and all other members on this Independence Day. Huge greetings from our company. As an India Exchange, you have been a part of the journey towards legal remittances to Pakistan.